Ndewo, kekime. Taa, anyị ga-amụ time of the day and week and month and year in Igbo, okay? Alright, things like morning, the week, the month, okay? So starting with today, ta. Today is ta or tata. Ta or tata. Ta or tata. Okay? Ta. Echi, tomorrow. Echi. Echi. Okay? Echi gara aga, yesterday. Or ụnyaahụ. Gara aga means past. Echi gara aga. Okay? Izuụka. This week. Izuụka is week. Izuụka, this week. Izuụka na-abịa, coming week or next week. Izuụka na-abịa. Okay? Izuụka means week. Izuụka gara aga, past. Gara aga means past. Izuụka gara aga, past week or last week. Okay? Izuụka gara aga. Okay? Izuụka abụọ gara aga. Now, abụọ is 2. Izuụka abụọ gara aga, last 2 weeks. Okay? Izuụka abụọ gara aga. Alright? Next is your turn. Izuụka abụọ na-abịa. What does it mean in English? Izuụka abụọ na-abịa. Remember, izuụka abụọ na-abịa. Okay? Good. Moving on to months and year in Igbo. Okay? Ọnwa means month or moon. Ọnwa na-abịa, coming month or next month. Ọnwa na-abịa. Ọnwa na-abịa. Okay? So na-abịa just means coming. Okay? Right? Ọnwa gara aga. Yeah, you guessed it right. Gara aga means past. Ọnwa gara aga, past month. Ọnwa, this month. Ọnwa, month. Ọnwa, current month. So a means current. Ọnwa, current month. Okay? Ọnwa mbụ. Mbụ means first. Ọnwa mbụ, first month. Ọnwa mbụ. Okay? Ọnwa ikpeazụ, last month. Ọnwa ikpeazụ. Ikpeazụ means last. Okay? Afọ a, this year. Afọ a, this year. Okay? Afọ is year. Afọ a, this year. Okay? Right? Afọ ọhụrụ, new year. Ọhụrụ means new. Afọ, year. Afọ ọhụrụ. Daalụ o. Your turn now. Write this in Igbo for me in the comment section. Okay? Next year. Coming year is the same thing. Okay? Number 2, last year. Last year. Okay? Just write them in the comment section. Okay? Right? Moving on. Ụtụtụ. You know this means morning, yeah? Ụtụtụ. Okay? Ụtụtụ, ama good morning. No, that's kind of, yeah? Ụtụtụ. Okay? Right? Excellent. Okay? Now, afternoon. Ehihie. Ehihie. Okay? And you can say ehihie ọma. Okay? Mgbede. Evening. Mgbede. Okay? Alright? And abalị. Night. Okay? Abalị. Night. Okay? You've done very well. Thank you for listening. Ịgbalịgo. Ịgbalịala. Okay? Daalụ nnọọ. Oh? So remember to share. And if you'd like more and you haven't subscribed, this is the time to subscribe. Okay? Right? I'm going to call you. Oh, see you. Call you. Na-asụkwa Igbo. Oh? Na-asụkwa Igbo.